Hello, it's Peter with Dean Team Golf Carts. Today we've got a simple tire installation video for you. The first thing you're going to need to do is get your jack. Here we have a floor jack. You can also use a normal bottle jack or a hand jack as well. You'll want to look in your cart's manual because they all have approved lift points for the vehicle. And you're just going to go ahead and jack up the cart to get your tires off the ground. Make sure that your cart brake is secure so the cart doesn't roll as you're lifting. Next, take your rated jack stands and put them under the approved lifting points. Then you're ready to drop the vehicle onto the jacks. All secure. For this installation, I'll be using a power tool to remove the lug nuts from the wheel. If you're using a hand tire iron, I'd recommend loosening the lug nuts while the wheel is still on the ground so that it doesn't spin on you as you're trying to do that. Then you can remove your tire. Once you have your replacement tire or you've gotten your hole fixed or whatever you need to repair it for, you'll install the tire again. You'll hand start all of your lug nuts. In this case, I'm going to use the power tool to just snug them enough to where I can then go through with the torque wrench and torque them to spec. Once you've tightened your lug nuts to where your wheel is secure, we'll lower the cart back down so you can make sure that you get the correct spec on the torque wrench. Now you have the leverage to make sure that you're torqued correctly. Thanks for watching. You can follow us at Dean Team Golf Carts on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And make sure to follow our Twitter, DTGC Parts, for offers and more.